All right, guys. So I don't know exactly how long it's been. It is currently like September 4th. And so I did a repair on the seat of my Sequoia, and it held up for a while. I will put a link up here to the original repair on the seat. But I originally just used like heavy duty upholstery thread. And so something that you would like put in a sewing machine. And I guess it just was not up to dealing with the pressure of someone sitting on it and stretching that thread and whatever. So what I've actually gone to is I had this roll of waxed thread. I've had it for a while in my toolbox right next to the upholstery thread that I originally used. So I'm not sure why I didn't use this in the first place, but this is considerably thicker. It's also waxed, so it really helps glide through the seam here. So I'm going at it again. I've also got a spot up here that actually opened up, and so just kind of going through the same process that I did in the video up there, and just using some different waxed thread. So I'm gonna get this tightened up. I'm hoping I can actually get the seam a little bit tighter, get it buttoned up, and see how it goes. Okay, there we go. Got this section stitched back up, and the entire from here all the way over stitched back up. So using this little thicker thread, hopefully that'll hold up a little better. So that's gonna be it for this one. Thanks for watching.